of the individual items that are inside of my HTML list. I can now open this up by opening lists.html, and this is what I see. I see an ordered list where I have item number 1, first item, second item, third item. Note that I didn't actually need to, in the HTML anywhere, specify the number 1, the number 2, and the number 3. When my web browser reads that this should be an ordered list, my web browser, Chrome in this case, just adds those numbers in for me because it knows what an ordered list means, and it knows how to take the HTML that I've written and display it in the way that I intend to the user. Now, in addition to ordered lists that all have numbers, 1, 2, 3, we also have unordered lists that are just bullet points of information. So I could, up above, add some more content to this HTML page. I can say here is an unordered list. And just as an ordered list, we represented using the OL tag in HTML, OL standing for ordered list. Likewise, we can use the UL tag in HTML to create an unordered list, U for unordered. So here we're going to add a UL tag. And again, my text editor here is automatically adding the closing tag here, this /ul, meaning the end of the unordered list. And many text editors will do this now, just so you, the programmer, don't forget to add that. And now inside of this unordered list, we're again going to have some list items. Also using the li tag, here is one item, and here is another item, and here is yet another item. If I go ahead and refresh the page now, I'm still on list.html. I now see that on top of my ordered list, I have an unordered list, where each item, instead of being numbered 1, 2, 3, is instead labeled with just bullet point, bullet point, bullet point, where each of these bullet points and each of these numbered items is a list item element, or an li. So hopefully now we can see that as we start to explore these various different HTML tags and nesting HTML tags inside of one another, we're able to create more and more interesting web pages as a result. So let's explore now what other types of web pages we can create using other types of HTML elements. In addition to lists, one thing you might imagine is that one of the important things on the web is not just displaying text, but also displaying other types of media, like images, for example. So how might we go about doing that? Well, I can